What's up guys, I am Balogne from Balogne Post, and today's video we will actually be showing you how we are now making thumbnails for a lot of our watch reviews. And that's going to be this little light box that we bought. Now this light box only cost us like $8. Super simple, super convenient, not the highest quality, but we'll get into that. So in the packaging it comes with the light box itself, which will show you how it folds up. You get a black liner on the inside, you get a white liner, and then it is mini USB, so it comes with a mini USB to USB, I'm assuming 2.0 cord to plug it in. So the way this light box works is you basically have an LED strip on the inside. Do not touch it, it gets very hot, and that is just literally double-sided taped to this plastic piece here. Now we had this plugged in for a long time, and the weight of the mini USB actually started to make the LED strip come off, and we had to re-stick it on there. So it's not foolproof to leave on all the time. We are also scared to leave it on to test it for long because the LED strip did start to heat up a lot. So you have to be careful with that as well. But the nice thing about it is how quickly and easily it actually stores away. So the way this thing folds up is basically it collapses down. These pieces kind of fold inside and then it collapses down into about this thick. So let's give that a try here and see. So you kind of have to flatten these, flatten these, flatten these. It goes like that, and then this is kind of the package that it ships to you in, like this. Now, the only issue is once you unfold it, because you kind of bent these plastic pieces on the inside, when you unfold it, it's going to look like this. It's not going to be very symmetrical, it's going to be very lopsided, and it's kind of bent and it ruins your shot. So, but just make sure once you get it in the mail, you kind of take all your pieces, refold them out, reattach them, kind of bend that memory back into the shape of the plastic, and now it's a little better, as you can see. You kind of have to play around with it to get it right. Now to put these felt liners in, there's just little hooks on the inside that you can see. They hook onto there. They don't stay very well, but it's okay. And then you can kind of shoot whatever you need. Now the nice thing is they did include two different things here. They gave you the cord. It's very plug and play, easy to set up, and you can actually get some pretty high quality shots with it. Now it would have been nice if they included maybe a diffuser over the LED bar, but the only other big issue with it is going to be the size of it. It is perfect for a small watch. That's pretty much it. But then also these holes on the back here. These holes are very noticeable when you are trying to film or shoot anything on the inside, so you kind of have to get rid of those holes in post when you're taking any angle. Also, when you look at the advertising for this, which will be linked to the real thing in the description down below, they have a shoe on the inside. You're not fitting a shoe in here and getting a good shot. You need a small item like a watch, like a ring, something very small that you can take that picture of. Anything larger than that, it's not going to be what you need. You're going to need something larger. So yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll show you a bunch of shots of how we've been using it, how easy it is to set up and take down. But again, just make sure with it, you're going to need to re-double-sided tape it because the piece is always falling off. Be careful because it does heat up. And if you did want to plug it into a wall, you will just need a wall adapter, or it can go straight into a laptop. So there you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed today's review. Now, like I said before, it will be linked in the description down below, as well as every time we review a product, we will be giving one away. So don't forget to sign up for our newsletter for that. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed today's review. And as always, I'm Balogne. This is Balogne Post.